आदित्य इंफोटेक लिमिटेड का का जो है Q1 FY 2026 का जो है अर्निंग कॉल है, उसके बारे में जो है वो डिटेल में जो है डिस्कस करेंगे। आदित्य इंफोटेक जो है वो 5 अगस्त को जो है वो दैट हैज लिस्टेड हुआ है मार्केट में जो है वो, है ना। एंड देख सकते हैं कि ये मार्केट कैप 15 ऑलमोस्ट जो है 16,000 करोड़ की कंपनी है। स्टॉक पी जो है वो 106 है। बेसिकली जो है वो मैन्युफैक्चर आदित्य AIL जो है वो मैन्युफैक्चर करता है वीडियो सिक्योरिटी एंड सर्विलेंस प्रोडक्ट जो है सॉल्यूशन जो है वो प्रोवाइड करता है सर्विसेज अंडर द ब्रांड नेम ऑफ CP प्लस जो है वो। तो की जो है इनके जो है वो सर्विलेंस लीडिंग सर्विलेंस कंपनी है आदित्य Infotech Limited is the India's largest provider of video security and the surveillance product solutions and the services by revenue commanding a 20.8% market share almost, है ना, as a FY 25 under the CP Plus brand serving both enterprises and the consumer segment. CP Plus brand जो है इनका जो प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो है एडवांस वीडियो सिक्योरिटी सर्विलांस सॉल्यूशंस इंक्लूडिंग SD एनालॉग कैमरास, DVRs, IP network cameras, NVRs, biometric devices, access control, mobile surveillance, thermal cameras, temperature screening equipment, interactive displays, router structuring, wiring, and accessories. In FY 25, the product line comprises of 2986 SKUs. नेक्स्ट जो है इनका पोर्टफोलियो है AI IoT सॉल्यूशंस, AI बेस्ड सेंट्रलाइज्ड सर्विलांस platform, Edge AI boxes for advanced analytics and cloud-based security management tools. Dawa Products Aditya Infotech is an exclusive distributor of the Dawa comprehensive CCTV and security solution in India. Software cloud service in-house developed software such as HMS, EMS and CRM tools for the post-sale services, customer sector based and the security as a SaaS services frameworks, and field management services including annual preventive maintenance, rapid transport response support, customer project execution, IoT homes and offices automation, enterprises grade access control. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटीज जो है वो कडप्पा आंध्र प्रदेश में है विद एन एनुअल कैपेसिटी ऑफ 17.2 million यूनिट, making it third largest CCTV facility globally based on FY 25. It maintains the 10 warehouses across India to support its distribution network जो है कैमरा इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी जो है वो है ना, दैट इज जो है वो दैट इज 1.2 करोड़ यूनिट्स के आसपास है। DVR जो है वो 29,37,000 यूनिट्स के आसपास है। कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन 77%। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर जो है 1000 है। सिस्टम इंटीग्रेटर जो है वो 2178। एम्प्लॉय जो है वो 1274404 इन द सेल्स इन द मार्केटिंग जो है वो। तो बाई रिवेन्यू जो है वो CP प्लस का जो है 69% है, दावा का 24% है एंड अदर जो है वो 6.4% है। बाय डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो है वो 79.5%, सिस्टम इंटीग्रेटेड एंड ऑपरेशन प्रोजेक्ट जो है 16% है, रिटेल एंड अदर्स में 2% एंड ऑनलाइन इन ई कॉमर्स में जो है वो 2.5%। तो ये तो कंपनी के बारे में जो है वो डिटेल हो गया। सो 1995 में जो है वो इनकॉर्पोरेटेड हुआ था, है ना, एंड ठीक है, initially operated as a distributor global IT brand before translating into security and the surveillance segment in 2007 with the launch of CP Plus brand. Over the years, it has transformed from the distribution company into the consumer brand driven innovation focused manufacturer जो है। Detail about the company and its operations क्या है कि market position and scale। टुडे जो है वो AIL is among the largest provider of the video security and surveillance product solutions and services in India, holding 21% market share in FY 25. Globally, it ranks third largest manufacturer of the surveillance product in the terms of unit manufacture. The company has over 4,100 employee, manufacturing and research development. In 2017, AIL जो है वो आदित्य इन्फोटेक जो है वो हैव अ 50-50 joint venture with the Dixon Technology India Limited, named AI Dixon Technology Private Limited to establish domestic manufacturing for the CCTV product. In September 2024, Aditya Infotech acquired Dixon 50% stakes in the JV, making AI Dixon Technology as a whole owned subsidiary, right? Dixon in turn retained 6.6% stakes in the Aditya Infotech. The company operates an state-of-art manufacturing facility in the Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh, with an installed capacity of 1.5 million units per month across more than 3.5 lakh square feet. This is India's third largest single location surveillance manufacturing facilities and the third largest worldwide. So manufacturing is supported by R&D initiative and including a dedicated R&D facilities in Noida or recently opened second R&D center in the Ahmedabad. An R&D center in the Taiwan is also in the process of being set up. The company plans to increase its capacity to 1.9 million units per month by next quarter and further to 2.4 million units by the Q1 in the next financial year. This capacity expansion, along with the backward integrations and localization, is expected to cost approximately 200 crore over the next 2 years, and the capex is projected to help grow revenue by possibly 60% over the next 2 years. क्या क्या पोर्टफोलियो प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो एंड सर्विसेज अंडर द CP Plus brand offering include a wide range of CCTV cameras, analog SD IP network, Wi-Fi, 4G thermal, explosion proof AI cameras, recording devices, DVR, NVR, and supporting products. Professional range product feature AI network cameras with the facial recognitions, low light capabilities, real-time video analytics. They also offers the NVRs with the high resolution recording and scalable storage. Specialized products including automatic number plate recognition cameras, GPS enabled mobile NVRs by transport, body worn camera for law enforcement, and interactive displays for the control rooms. In consumer home IoT space, product include easy smart Wi-Fi cameras, 4G enabled cameras, and car cam dash cams. Supporting solution include cabling, power solution, and accessories. Service and the solutions comprises of CP plus cloud storage, CP plus AI, video analytic and process automations, ठीक है ना, and all IoT platform for the monitoring services. Market segmentation and the revenue contribution. Aditya Infotech segment its market into the four key areas: government enterprises, small medium businesses, and the home solutions. SMB space constitute the largest जो है वो portions contributing 60% of total revenue. जो small medium businesses हैं उसमें जो है इसका 60% contribution है, supported by the exclusive Galaxy stores जो है. Large enterprises and government project जो है वो contributed 30% of the revenue, driven by participation in the critical infrastructure and the public safety deployment. The consumer home segment accounts for the remaining 10%, catered via the online marketplace and the offline channels. Competitive edge. The company highlights its position as the largest manufacturer of this surveillance product outside China and the first player to establish a true consumer brand in India's security and the surveillance industries. It it boasts the largest distribution network with 1,000 distributor and 2,000 system integrator across more than 500 cities, supported by 48 branch offices and 38 service centers. Marketing initiative including the celebrity endorsement, high impact campaign, and omni-channel promotions. Aditya Infotech is committed to skill development, having engaged over 50,000 participants through the programs in the partnership with the Ministry of the Skill and Development and Intel's RIP जो है. तो इनका जो इंडस्ट्री ओवरव्यू और ग्रोथ ड्राइवर क्या है, द इंडियन वीडियो सर्वेलेंस मार्केट इज अंडरगोइंग ए स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्सपेंशन वैल्यूड एट एस्टिमेट ऑफ 1.06 बिलियन है ना इन FY25 with the projected compound annual growth of 16.5 until FY30. The number of video surveillance units sold is expected to grow from 39.7 million to in FY25 to 75 million by FY30. Growth is attributed to rapid urbanizations, rising security consciousness, government infrastructure spending like safe and smart city project, and technological advancement including general AI जो है. So the government of India mandate from the April 1990 all network CCTV camera sold in India must be STQC certified. This aims to be ensure services are trustworthy, of the good quality, and the product protect user privacy from the cyber security risk posted by uncertified imports जो है. This regulations creates a competitive advantage for the Indian original equipment manufacturer who manufacture locally, as they offering are more readily compliant जो है वो. So आदित्य इंफोटेक certified domestic brand है, largest portfolio of STQC certified product line, strong brand recognition है, manufacturing capabilities है, R&D investment है, and well positioned to the market gain जो है वो market share जो है वो. ठीक है ना. तो STQC जो मैंडेट हुआ है, रिसेट द इंडस्ट्री रिड्यूसिंग कंपटीशन फ्रॉम द ब्रांड नेबरिंग कंट्रीज, इम्प्लाइड चाइना का जो ब्रांड बहुत सारे मार्केट में जो सर्विलांस है सीसीटीवी है वहाँ पे जो है अगर आपने STQC जो है गवर्नमेंट का जो है वो परमिशन नहीं दिया, सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं दिया है, तो देयर विल बी नो यूज इन द इंडियन मार्केट में. तो यहाँ पे जो है कॉम्पिटिटिव एडवांटेज है आदित्य इंफोटेक के पास जो है वो फेस द चैलेंजेस विद ट्रस्टेड सप्लाई चेन्स एंड कंपोनेंट रिस्ट्रिक्शन. The company expect to see shift towards a domestic brand as non-STQC inventories dry ups, which is anticipated to happen by the end of the current quarter. The pricing differential between STQC and non-STQC IP camera is expected to range from the 5 to 7% for the higher end and 10 to 15% for the mid range, over 20% for the lower end entry level models, ड्यू टू द नीड फॉर द हायर एंड कंपोनेंट एंड द सिक्योरिटी जो है. जो बिजनेस हाइलाइट्स है Q1 FY26 का परफॉर्मेंस है, रेवेन्यू जो है वो 16.4 से जो है Y1 इंक्रीज हुआ है to the 740 crore. This growth was primarily quantity driven as the impact of higher ASP from the STQC IP stock had not fully kicked in the during. अभी जो STQC जो सर्टिफिकेशन है उसका जो है वो रिवेन्यू जो है वो एडेड नहीं हुआ है, इसमें जो है वो पूरी यूटिलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ है. सो द गोइंग फॉरवर्ड देयर विल बी हाई चांसेस दैट रेवेन्यू विल बी वेरी वेरी हाई लेवल ऑफ 30% ग्रोथ जो है. EBITDA stood 64.9 crore, 47.5 YOY growth with EBITDA margin of 8.7, up 180 basis point from the 6.9 in Q1 FY25. पैट जो है वो इसका 32.9 करोड़ था विद पैट मार्जिन ऑफ 4.4%. द कंपनी सक्सेसफुली रेज्ड 1300 crore थ्रू IPO इन अगस्त 2025 and the 500 crore fresh issue, 375 crore were allocated to repay the borrowing, reducing gross debt by 89% to just 48% crore जो है वो. The substantial deleveraging is expected to reduce the finance costs, enhancing profitability and free up the resources for the strategic growth जो है. The very important point जो 26 का गाइडेंस है, रेवेन्यू जो है वो रहेगा 3900 to 4100 फुल ईयर जो रहेगा है ना, ओवर 25% एनुअल ग्रोथ बीटिंग द इंडस्ट्री ग्रोथ ऑफ 16.5. EBITDA मार्जिन 10 to 11% रहेगा. पैट मार्जिन जो है वो 6 to 7% रहेगा. मार्जिन एक्सपेंशन, प्रोडक्ट मिक्स, इंक्रीज शेयर ऑफ द कंपनीज ऑन ब्रांड एंड हायर मार्जिन रियलाइजेशन पोस्ट STQC है ना, एक्सपेक्टेड टू ओवर 90% ऑफ द रेवेन्यू. कॉस्ट सेविंग फ्रॉम द डेब्ट रिपेमेंट पोस्ट IPO, full consolidation of the AI Dixon manufacturing entity leading to the efficiency of the scale. Increased localization content in the product line, import dependency and localization. Approximately 60 to 70% of bill of the material is currently import dependent, primarily from the semiconductor, SoC, memory, DRAM and passive electronic component, as India lacks domestic fab and sufficient ecosystem. However, the STQC norms critical component SoC cannot be from the China and have been sourced from the Taiwan or the American companies. ठीक है. The remaining 40% of the BOM bill of material is motion to be localized, including enclosure, housing, cables, connector, and the power electronics. The company has invested in mold and design and setting up its own housing manufacturing while also working with the third party manufacturer, land manufacturer has also started in India. एक्सपोर्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी आदित्य इन्फोटेक जो है वो चाइना प्लस वन अपॉर्चुनिटी ड्यू टू चेंजिंग geopolitics while immediate focus is on the solidifying the domestic market. The company plans to take baby steps on the export in the coming year. These exports are expected to be margin accretive. Potential challenge: the management acknowledges that achieving the growth target will be depend on effective execution across all the fronts, इंक्लूडिंग जो है वो R&D हो गया, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो गया, लोकलाइजेशन हो गया एंड गो टू मार्केट स्ट्रेटेजी. सो ये जो है वो दैट्स ऑल द पॉइंट्स की टेक अवे फ्रॉम द अर्निंग कॉन कॉल एंड इट इज द वन ऑफ द इंडिया जो है वो लीडिंग प्रोवाइडर ऑफ द CCTV सर्विलांस जो है प्रोडक्ट है ना. एंड चाइना प्लस स्ट्रेटेजी से भी काफ़ी जो है वो हेल्प मिलने वाला है आदित्य इन्फोटेक को. एंड देन जो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने जो है एक सर्टिफिकेशन STQC का जो किया है उसके कारण भी जो है वो एडेड एडवांटेज होगा इन द सेल्स ग्रोथ ऑफ द आदित्य इन्फोटेक इन द कमिंग ईयर्स जो है वो. ठीक है, यहीं तक.